Changzhou Hollysen Technology Trading Company Limited is a company specializing in auto air conditioner parts, cooling system, and other auto accessories. We have a professional sales team, quality control team, after-sales service team, research and development team. We are located in Changzhou City, nearby the Shanghai. It's convenient to arrange transportation of the goods to Shanghai port. Our corporation factory has a strong technical ability and research and development capabilities. They have an impeccable intellectual property management certification system, which has passed IATF 16949 International Automobile Industry Quality Management System. At the same time, the corporation factory has applied for a number of recognized and authorized patents. All products will be tested for durability, noise, and vibration, as well as physical, vehicle, and mechanical testing in the testing laboratories. We will confirm that our goods are qualified before shipment. Hollysen has made great progress in management capability, independent technology innovation, and marketing. Our automotive products have been exported to Europe, South America, North America, the Middle East, and Asia. We have won a reputation in the international market. Clients are faithfully welcome to visit our company, and we will provide professional product knowledge and technical after-sales service. We will continue to improve our research and development capabilities to keep pace with the times. We insist to provide satisfactory automotive products and services to create a bright future.